Hi everybody, it's Ginger DiBernardo. I have wanted to do unboxings for more items. I have my Pro Beauty box that I'm going to start opening every month. This is my new Ellie box. Ellie is fitness attire, and I'm trying to remember to look over here because YouTube likes us to go horizontal. So the box is beautiful. It's a nice bronzy rose gold color. And right here when I open it, it says, "I'm happy to see you too." So how cute is that? We're in this together is what it says on the inside. And they have this really cute little card for me. Actually, it's just my little receipt, which is awesome. Again, this is my very first box. I did get to choose my items for the first box, which was kind of fun. So I don't know what's going to be in box number 2, but it looks like, now it's to my understanding, every box comes with a sports bra, a tank or some type of a sports top, and sports bottoms, leggings. And this one I got a special bottle too, so I'll show you that. But this is my sports bra, and I think this box is $45 a month. I actually had a coupon code for the first one. This is by Marika. If you're not familiar with Marika, I'm a Marika snob. That's just about the only bottoms I wear right now. Excuse me. So when I saw that they had Marika in the box, I was pretty excited about that. I have recently discovered, is it Kalia, I think it is, by Carrie Underwood. Yeah, gonna need to stay out of Dick's Sporting Goods because they carry that by Carrie Underwood. I adore her. This is, oh, what a cute top. Oh my goodness. This is, oh my goodness, this is Marika also. Lucky me. The back of it, how cute is that? It's got this little opening here, so you're not going to see anything. It's just going to show kind of that center of your back. Love that. Super soft. It's got their little emblem here. Very, very soft. You can definitely kind of see through it, but it's super, super soft. And so is the sports bra. This is actually a low impact one, but I'm okay with that because depending on what I'm doing in the gym, low impact is okay. It does, it feels like it has the, yes, it has removable pads. To be honest, I remove the pads and just do a double decker bra and wear 2, unless I have one of my really nice ones. I will be adding Kalia by Carrie Underwood to my collection of sports bras because hers are super nice. Y'all, these pants are the cutest ever. Like, they were made for me. Leopard all day, okay? I'm so pumped about that. And the beauty of this is the outfits they send, it's matchy-matchy. Like, everything matches. So here is my outfit for the gym, probably on Tuesday. So you can follow me on Instagram, Ginger DiBernardo, or my Facebook page, Ginger Mason DiBernardo. And you can find my business page from my personal page. I will be sharing photos of me in my new little Ellie outfit. I cannot wait to see what I have next month. And for my first month, I got this really nice, I guess this would be a stainless water jug. It looks like, I can't read it, but I'm thinking, excuse me, I'm thinking this is, it's definitely at least 24 ounces, maybe 26. But it is Ellie, and Ellie is one of my grand dogs too, so that makes it extra fabulous. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be sharing my beauty box soon, and I'll be sharing next month's Ellie box with you soon. If you have not subscribed, please hit subscribe. And thank you so much for following. Have a beautiful day. Mwah! Bye.